This video has been brought to you by Dynamic Interactive. This video is to demonstrate how to read and understand the dialer. One of the first things a lot of people want to know is how to read their account balance and their minutes. To read their balance and their minutes, all you do is, if you're not already at the Welcome to TelServer page, you simply click here where it says TelServer Home, and it brings you here. In this example, the account balance is $30.42, and at whatever rate they have, that is 608 prepaid minutes remaining. So that is how you read the account balance and the minutes. Now, let's go to reports and then summary stats and minutes. This brings you to the summary statistics page, and of course this is our sample account. Now, there are a few things here to look for. A lot of people always want to track what their stats are as their campaign is going out. So here, go ahead and click at the top where it says detail, and as you can see, it kind of expands this blue line here to show more information. So just going from left to right, each schedule has its own ID, of course a customer name, the campaign name, the type, today's date, scheduled, how many numbers are scheduled to go. Now dialed, that's how many numbers the system has dialed. Live, that's how many people answered the phone. It could have been somebody that could have been for just a few seconds, or somebody that fully heard a message in its entirety. Either way, it's somebody that answered the phone live. AM is answering machines. Others, these are numbers that are, say, if you're calling a number and nobody answers, or it's busy, or maybe it's a fax number, those are others. Problem numbers are actual numbers that don't work. Invalid numbers, disconnected. Maybe if it's a cell phone and haven't paid their bill, it's turned off, so that's problems. Any situation where the system did not interact with a phone system, our dialer did not interact with the phone system and leave a message, is a problem. So could be on their end, so that's what problems are. Redialed, this is if we set the dialer to redial once or twice. These are numbers that are set to be redialed. Agents, this is like if you're doing a press 1 campaign, anybody that presses 1 to connect to an agent will be recorded here. So this is what agents are. 5M, this is a conversation that's gone 5 minutes or more. Of course, minutes is the total minute usage so far. As right now, you can see the dialer says stopped, which means that under this channels and routed, nobody's on the phone right now, so it's blank. The number inside is the number of channels that you are requesting. The number outside is the number of channels you are being given at the moment. Say if you're requesting 100 channels, and say for some reason the number outside is maybe like 90 or 85, this number will always go up and down. There's always people adding more schedules and campaigns, so the server needs to adjust itself to give you your maximum amount of lines, to give you those 100 channels. So these two numbers are always good numbers to be looking for. Routed, this is like when somebody presses 1 and somebody's on the phone. You can see here, like if one of your agents are on the phone, you'll see here a number 1, or if you have 3 people on the phone, you'll see 3 here. So that's what that is. Now, if you wanted to start and stop your campaign, all you do is this little play button here. You push play. If you hover your mouse, you can see start schedules or schedule or schedules. This is how you start and stop a campaign. This detail statistics, it's a neat feature. If you click that, you get this box that says campaign detail statistics, and it just kind of shows you some call progress stats as your campaign is going along. It'll show you some details. You'll have some graphs over here to the side. It'll show you what's going on, percentages, how many fax numbers, busies, duplicates, how many problems, things like that. So that's what detail statistics is. And If you need to get into the schedule entry and switch out a list or change a schedule or maybe speed up or slow down a campaign, go ahead and select this yellow pencil here, which is Edit Schedule, and this brings you to the schedule entry form. This is again the form where you finish adding your schedule and your phone list, your data, the speed, and all that good stuff. So this is the schedule entry form, and if you need to go back to the main page, the main summary stats, you just click Reports, Summary Stats in Minutes, and it brings you back to this page here. And this video has been brought to you by Dynamic Interactive.